What's up? You back rocking with your boy, the Expert Bowler at Expert Bowler Gaming. And today I got something a little different for you all. Here is one thing that should be able to help you get better, and that's understanding the bowling swing. And understanding the swing, we're going to take a look at my swing, because what better way to start off understanding a person's swing than analyzing my own. So kick back, relax, and let's take a look at my bowling swing. So first we'll take a look at our bowler. My name is Chris. I'm the Expert Bowler. I'm originally from Chicago, Illinois, and I've been bowling for a little bit over 30 years. I started bowling when I was a kid. Both my parents bowled, and I've kind of grown up in the bowling alley. My average is 237. I bowl in leagues as well as tournaments, and I like to compete. The three main components of the swing are going to be repeatability. Is it repeatable? Is it accurate? Accuracy. And three, timing. Is it in time? So as we take a look at repeatability, we're looking for a swing that is easily repeatable, because anybody could do something once, twice, or maybe 3 times in a row, no matter what it is or how it looks. But the best bowlers in the world, they have a very simple, repeatable swing that's easy to repeat in times of stress, when things are hard, when their breathing pattern is a bit irregular, and there's a lot of pressure on the line. All right, now let's talk about accuracy. We always look at accuracy as the result, but accuracy is actually starting with the approach from the beginning. How you set up, your posture, your footwork, all of these things kind of contribute to you being accurate or not accurate. We're going to look at the times when we make good shots and the times when we make bad shots, and we're going to really look at what is affecting our accuracy. The last part of our understanding the swing segment is gonna be about time. So how is your timing affecting your swing? That's what's gonna make you deliver those bad shots. We've all thrown shots where we know that we're off. Something's off. Halfway through the swing, you realize it, but a lot of times you still throw that ball and you deliver that shot knowing it's gonna be bad. All right, so now we took a look at some swings, some good swings, some bad swings, some swings that didn't yield the result that we're looking for. Now, what is the difference in the times where you take your approach, you deliver your shot, and it's a good shot, and you deliver your shot, and it's a bad shot? The answer to that is timing. If you want your swing to be easily repeatable, if you want your swing to be accurate, it has to be in time with the rest of your approach. So we'll continue to take a look at other people's swings. We'll continue to break them down and analyze them. And we'll continue to see what keeps that swing in time, what keeps it repeatable, what makes it accurate, and how you can use those things to your advantage. I am the Expert Bowler, and this is Expert Bowler Gaming, and this is Understanding People's Swing. I'm out.